Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook password. Changing your password regularly can help keep your Facebook account more secure, especially if you think someone else may know your current password. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to the account where you want to change the password. Tap the menu icon. Depending on your phone, you may see your profile picture or three horizontal lines. Next, look for Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then select Settings. Now look for Account Center. Tap on Account Center, then select Password and Security. Next, tap on Change Password. If you have more than one account connected to your Account Center, choose the Facebook account where you want to change the password. You will now see fields for your current password and your new password. First, enter your current Facebook password. Then enter your new password. Create a strong password that is difficult for other people to guess. Try to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using simple information such as your name, birthday, or phone number. After entering your new password, type it again to confirm that it is correct. Once everything looks good, tap Change Password. Facebook may also give you the option to review where your account is currently logged in. If you think someone else may have access to your account, review the devices and locations carefully. You may have the option to log out of other devices. After changing your password, make sure you remember your new password and keep it private. If you use the same password on other websites or apps, it is also a good idea to use a different password for each account. And that's it. You now know how to change your Facebook password using your phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.